Hello and congratulations on reaching the end of this video course. This is video number 8, and finally we are going to review and edit your notes. So reviewing your notes is important so that you could see if it has all the information that you will need in the future so that you can refer back to it. One of the most frustrating things is trying to refer back to your notes and trying to figure out what you were trying to say. So if you miss some words while listening, don't fret. What you want to do is just put a space or put a blank and mark that part and follow up later. So you can easily do this when you're using kind of online technology or mobile apps and things like that. Now, if you are writing down things on pieces of paper, just keep in mind that when you write notes, you might want to leave a space so that if you do make a mistake, you can always go back later. So sometimes having notebook paper that has lines and leaving a space in between is actually quite helpful. Another thing you might want to do is underline or bold important words or key points. So you can obviously do that, underline it if you're writing on a piece of paper. Bolding the word is a little bit more difficult unless you have some sort of mobile device or online technology or web-based application. But basically you want to use enough spacing in between lines and be able to be prepared for editing or adding notes and things like that. That way, if you go back to your notes and you remember something, you can always easily insert it and you don't have to worry about, how do I insert the notes because everything's messy and things like that, because messy notes can lead also to confusion. So basically, having enough spacing, especially if you're using pen and paper, is good. So that way you can go back, circle things, and if you do have pieces of paper, maybe having a highlighter is good, and maybe circling things with red marker is fine as well, as far as key points go, so that certain things are important. So for example, if the lecturer says, this is a very important key, you might want to take a red pen and circle that if they put some emphasis on that. Thank you for watching this video course, and please take this information and take action so that you can really retain the right knowledge and take the notes in an effective way. Thanks and have a great day.